Setting up help desk workflows for onboarding support can drastically improve your team's efficiency and ensure your customers are supported from the moment they join. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up these workflows in a way that's straightforward and easy to implement. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, which could make setting up your workflows even easier. First, let's start by defining the purpose of your onboarding workflow. The goal here is to ensure that new customers or users are greeted with the right support at the right time. This includes everything from automated welcome emails to assigning specific team members to address customer needs. You want to set clear steps so the experience feels seamless and professional. To begin, choose the software you'll be using for your help desk workflows. There are several popular options, but for this tutorial, we'll use software that makes it easy to create both simple and complex workflows. You'll want something that offers easy automation and integrations with your existing systems. I've tested quite a few tools and I'm sharing my favorite one with you, along with an exclusive free trial, in the description below. Now let's get into the setup. Once you've selected your software, start by setting up a workflow trigger. For onboarding, a common trigger is when a user signs up or when they're assigned to a specific team or support agent. You'll want to choose something that happens automatically, so you don't have to manually kick off the process every time a new user joins. Next, create a series of steps that should be executed once the trigger is activated. These steps might include sending a welcome email with key resources, assigning a team member to follow up with the customer, and creating a task for the support agent to reach out within a set number of days. Make sure you're mapping out each touchpoint to ensure consistency. It's also important to segment your users if possible. Depending on the type of customer or user, your workflow may differ. For example, a high-value customer may need a more personalized touch than a standard user, so make sure your workflow accounts for these differences. You'll also want to automate as much of the communication as possible. Set up automated messages or email sequences that guide new users through the process. This reduces the risk of delays and ensures that your team's time is spent on higher value tasks. If you want to get more advanced, consider adding conditional logic to your workflows. This means that depending on how the customer interacts with your initial messages or steps, different actions can be triggered. For instance, if a customer opens a welcome email, they may be sent to a follow-up workflow where they receive specific resources or discounts. Once you've set up your workflow, it's time to test it. Test it with a few dummy accounts or with colleagues to ensure that everything runs smoothly and that no step is skipped. You want to ensure that your new customers get the best possible experience right from the start. A key takeaway here is that a good help desk workflow for onboarding support isn't just about automating tasks. It's about making the experience as smooth and personalized as possible for your new users. The better the first impression, the more likely your users are to stick around and engage with your platform. To quickly recap, you've learned how to choose the right software, set up automated triggers, design your workflow steps, and personalize the experience. Remember, the goal is to set up a streamlined process that provides value to your users while saving your team time. Before you go, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this tutorial. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check the description below for that link. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you set up your help desk workflows for onboarding support quickly and easily.